Hey, knowledge seekers! Welcome back to Mindful Mentors 12, your hub for transformative education. Today, we're diving into passive income from digital content. Monetize blogs in 2025. Imagine earning money while you sleep by creating a blog that works for you 24/7. In this video, we'll share 10 actionable strategies to build and monetize a blog for financial freedom, using 2025's top tools and trends. Ready to turn your words into wealth? Hit that like button, grab a notebook, and let's get started. Subscribe and ring the bell for more wealth-building knowledge. In 2025, blogging is a powerful way to create passive income. Let's explore how to build a blog that funds your financial freedom stress-free. Strategy 1. Choose a profitable blog niche. Your niche is the foundation of your income in 2025. Pick a niche you're passionate about and that has high demand, like personal finance or wellness. In 2025, tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public show what topics are trending. Research shows finance and tech blogs have high CPMs, up to $50 per 1,000 views. Check X's hash blog niche for trending ideas to spark inspiration. Strategy 2. Set up your blog with ease. Get your blog live in 2025 without tech stress. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace make blog creation simple. WordPress offers flexibility for monetization, while Wix is beginner-friendly with drag-and-drop designs. In 2025, these platforms integrate AI tools for SEO-friendly templates. Expect to spend $10.50/year on a domain and hosting. Strategy 3. Create evergreen content. Write posts that earn for years in 2025. Evergreen content like how to budget or best investment apps stays relevant long-term. Aim for 1,500, 2,000 word posts with actionable tips. In 2025, AI tools like Jasper help draft SEO-optimized content fast. Research shows evergreen posts drive 80% of blog traffic over time. Strategy 4. Monetize with affiliate marketing. Turn clicks into cash in 2025. Affiliate marketing pays you for promoting products like books or software via links. Programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale offer 5 to 20% commissions. In 2025, high CPM niches like finance apps pay $10.50 per sale. Add affiliate links to your posts naturally. Research shows blogs with 10+ links earn 3x more. Strategy 5. Earn with display ads. Let ads work for you in 2025. Display ads from Google AdSense or Mediavine pay per view or click. In 2025, Mediavine requires 50,000 monthly sessions but offers $20.50 CPMs in finance niches. Optimize ad placement, sidebars, and in-content work best. Research shows ad-optimized blogs can earn $1.000 a month with 100,000 views. Strategy 6. Sell digital products. Boost your income with your own creations in 2025. Create ebooks, templates, or checklists related to your niche, like a budgeting guide for a finance blog. Sell on platforms like Gumroad or ConvertKit. In 2025, AI tools like Canva simplify product creation. Research shows digital products can yield 70% profit margins, earning $500, $5,000 monthly. Strategy 7. Optimize for SEO in 2025. Get your blog seen by millions. Search engine optimization drives free traffic. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to find low-competition keywords like Best Savings Apps 2025. In 2025, AI-driven SEO plugins like Yoast optimize posts automatically. Research shows top-ranking posts get 10x more clicks. Aim for 5-10 keywords per post. Strategy 8. Promote on social media. Amplify your blog's reach in 2025. Share blog posts on X, Pinterest, or Instagram with engaging teasers. Pinterest drives long-term traffic for evergreen content, while X's hash blogging tips connects you with readers. In 2025, AI schedulers like Buffer optimize posting times. Research shows social media can drive 40% of blog traffic. Strategy 9. Build an email list. Turn readers into loyal fans in 2025. Offer freebies like a budgeting checklist to collect emails via MailChimp or ConvertKit. In 2025, AI-driven email tools personalize newsletters, boosting open rates. Research shows email lists convert 10x better than social media for sales. Send weekly tips to keep readers engaged. Strategy 10. Reinvest profits for growth. Turn blog income into lasting wealth in 2025. Use blog earnings to invest in ETFs, savings accounts, or blog upgrades like premium plugins. In 2025, platforms like Vanguard make reinvesting easy with auto deposits. Research shows reinvesting can grow wealth 5x faster. Start with $100 to see your financial freedom soar. Let's recap. From picking a profitable niche to reinvesting profits, these 10 strategies turn your blog into a passive income machine for financial freedom in 2025. Start writing today and watch your wealth grow. Which strategy are you trying first? Share in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more knowledge-packed videos. Hit the bell for weekly updates and check the links below for our blogging guide, X handle, and top tools for 2025. Thanks for watching, knowledge seekers. We'll see you in the next video.